Hey, it's me, John Conley with Success Real Estate. In this week's video blog, I wanted to talk to you all about getting rid of an undesirable type tenant. Maybe you have to evict that tenant out. Some of the advice I could give you would be this. One, have a clear understanding if you have a lease or if you have a tenancy at will agreement. Both of those two different agreements will have different language in there when going to get rid of a tenant, so make sure you understand the language that's in that contract. Second thing is understand the eviction law that you have in your specific state. Each state will actually differ. Next thing I'd recommend you do is to actually consult with a real estate attorney. Make sure it's a specific real estate attorney who knows the law inside and out. And you need to adhere to each and every step, because if you miss one of them, inevitably when you go into court, that could cost you and the tenant could stay there even longer. Next bit of advice I'd offer to you would be is have as much documentation as you possibly can. If the tenant is accusing you of possibly shutting down their hot water, well, you have your plumber go over and verify. Have on record when the complaint came in, have on record when your contractor went over to try to resolve the issue. If you have a disturbance issue and the police are being called on that tenant, make sure that you actually have police records with you when you go into court. Again, the person who has the most amount of records will win in court. And the last bit of advice I'd offer to you would be this. You need to be patient, but yet you need to engage in consistent action all the time. This is not going to happen overnight. The tenant's not going to leave for you tomorrow in most cases. You need to be patient with it, but you need to stick to the letter of the law and do each step as the law requires you. I hope this was of some help to you. If you have any questions for me, feel free to call me or email me, john@johnconley.com. Until next week.